Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for popular items to buy or researching top trends, today I'll show you exactly how to find the best-selling products on Amazon using a desktop browser. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Amazon website. Make sure you are signed into your account, though you can still see trends even if you aren't logged in. Once the homepage loads, direct your eyes to the main navigation menu bar located right below the top search box. Look closely at the options in this white text row, and click directly on the tab that says Best Sellers. This will take you straight to the official Amazon Best Sellers page. Amazon updates this list every single hour based on total sales volume, so you are always seeing real-time data. By default, the page will show you a mixed overview of popular items across the entire platform. If you want to find best sellers for a specific type of product, look at the left-hand side of your screen. Under the Any Department sidebar menu, you will see a clean list of individual categories. Go ahead and click on any specific department, like electronics or home and kitchen. The page will instantly filter to show you the top 100 most popular, highest-selling products in that exact category ranked from number 1 down to 100. You can also use the small sub-tabs at the top of the grid to check out new releases, movers and shakers for fast-trending items, or most wished-for products, and that's it. You now know exactly how to navigate and find the best-selling items on Amazon. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.